Yeah, hi guys, it's Paul Jenkins here, film director and online publisher, and this is a quick shout out for Ron Gatt's Data Jacker. Basically, when Ron told me about this product, that he was going to be launching it out, it caught my interest because I've actually used this technology myself in the past to analyze a course creation platform to see basically pricing points inside that course creation platform, to see which pricing points work well, which don't, and how many students signed up at different price points within a certain category. So basically what happened here was that Ron did a very quick test for me, because I was interested in finding out which affiliate platform to use for an upcoming launch. And I explained that basically I was looking around at JVZoo, Zaxa, and some other options out there at the moment. And what was very impressive was that Ron ran a test literally within 15 minutes. And here are the results of that test. Basically a very quick test through muncheye.com, which some of you will be familiar with, which basically advertises and explains upcoming launches in the marketplace. And you'll see how much detailed data Ron managed to pull back in just 15 minutes. Clearly, it's very clear from the data here that the overwhelming winner here is JVZoo in terms of pure numbers. But I think what's also worth taking a very close look at here is the information it's extracted out in terms of price, commission, launch date, all of that kind of stuff, which is actually, and also of course vendor. And you can imagine that it's actually quite interesting and powerful to sort that data. You could filter it, and certainly if the test will run for a longer period of time, you get really quite an extraordinary amount of data out of a site like Muncheye. Now, if you now extend that analysis out to other websites where interesting data hangs out, you can imagine how powerful this solution of Ron's could be. So that's in terms of the actual technology. If we now hop over into the actual membership site that Ron's constructed here, I mean, it seems to me that the training is very solid here. I mean, there's an awful lot of training. It seems to be nicely laid out. The platform performs professionally as far as I can see. And for example, if we hop into one of the tutorials here, I won't of course go into the individual lessons, but just to give you an idea of the kind of thing you're going to be getting, it's broken down very, very nicely. Step by step, shows you exactly how things are laid out, and you can see there's an awful lot of training in here, and I know that Ron is actually planning to build this out a bit more in the future. So anyway, it's a quick shout out for this. I think it is worth your attention. If you're basically interested in the potential of being able to extract data out of sites in order to have a better idea of what kinds of products to put out and at what price points, this is certainly something you should be taking a look at.